Hi. Today, we'll talk about the zero-shot prompting method. It's one of the key approaches when working with language models like ChatGPT. Despite the complex name, the concept is quite simple and intuitive. We'll explore what it is, how to use it, and provide some illustrative examples. Imagine you walk into a library with millions of books but have just one question. How can you quickly find an answer? Now imagine you can ask that question in a way that artificial intelligence gives you a response immediately, even if it has never encountered anything similar before. Intriguing, right? That's what zero-shot prompting is, a method that lets you interact with AI on a whole new level. Today, we'll dive into how it works and how you can use it in real-life scenarios. Zero-shot prompting is a method where you ask AI a question or assign a task without providing examples. In other words, you say to the AI, "Do this," and it attempts to perform the task based solely on your request. A simple example: suggest ideas for decorating a room for Halloween. The AI understands the task and generates a list of creative, themed decoration ideas without requiring additional clarifications. The method has the following advantages. Simplicity and speed: you save time since the request doesn't require preparation of examples or explanations. Flexibility: this method works for a wide range of tasks, from simple questions to complex analytical queries. Accessibility for everyone: you don't need to be an expert to use this method. The key is to formulate requests clearly. Let's look at 3 examples to see the method in action. Imagine you want to create a unique guide to New York City. Here's the prompt. Create a brief guide to hidden spots in New York City that tourists rarely visit. Include unique cafes, quiet parks, unusual museums, and directions to reach them. Add tips on avoiding crowds and suggest the best times to visit. Here's the response. You're a beginner blogger and want to grow your audience. Here's the prompt. Write tips for beginner bloggers to grow their audience on Instagram. Include advice on choosing engaging post topics, using hashtags effectively, posting at optimal times, creating interactive stories, and engaging with followers to build trust. Here's the response. You're a teacher preparing a test for students. Here's the prompt. Write 10 multiple-choice questions on World War II for high school students. The questions should cover key events, dates, leaders, and significant battles. Provide the correct answer and a brief explanation to help students understand the material. Here's the response. How to use zero-shot prompting effectively. Formulate requests concisely and clearly, avoid long or ambiguous phrases. For example, instead of "I want to know something about carbonara," say, "How do I make pasta carbonara?" Use keywords, for example, "best self-help books" instead of "recommend some books that could help me in life." Add minimal context if needed. Although zero-shot involves no examples, providing additional details can be useful, e.g., what California state laws pertain to renting. How to improve zero-shot prompting results. Be specific. Instead of "tell me about sports," write "tell me about the history of basketball in the U.S." Keep the goal in mind. For instance, if you want humor, write, "Make up a funny joke about cats." Avoid ambiguity. If a request is unclear, the result may not be optimal. That's it. Today we learned what zero-shot prompting is, how it works, and where it can be applied. It's a powerful tool that simplifies our lives, whether at home, work, or school. Try it yourself, ask your AI a question without hints and see how accurate the answer is. Share your results in the comments, and let's explore AI's potential together. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to catch new episodes. See you soon.